Iphini likaMengameli Paul Mashatile lethule inkulumo emngcwabeni weNgonyama. Lithi kuwe umuthi omkhulu.
The grave might have claimed his immortal body, but could not steal his legacy that stands as a reminder that dignity, culture, and unity are the pillars upon which nations stand.
Izinyane leNgonyama yamaNdebele lizwakalise okungenami ngamaphutha enziwe nguhulumeni ukusuka kucime ilanga esizweni.
It goes without saying that our father received the throne from his great predecessors, yet the kingdom he inherited was diminished, wrongfully reduced to a kingdom of Amandebele Akwamanala. When the presidency announced his passing, we noted the calculated error of continuously referring to the kingship of Amanala alone. Today, the premier of our province repeats the same error. My father, in his last days, was preparing to resolve the issue of this kingdom by enforcing a court order that affirmed our history, that there's only one king of Amandebele nation as a whole, and it was him. For the last 10 years, this kingdom has not been fully respected. My father was determined in his last days to resolve this issue of the kingdom, of the kingship. Premier, please correct your statement.
Indlu yobuholi bendabuko namakhoyisana idonse ngendlebe indlunkulu ngokuthi iqikelele ukuthi akunamsindo ngesihlalo.
Re kopa hore as a royal family do not embarrass yourselves after this ceremony by fighting publicly for who must take over. When you do that, you are inviting government into your own issues.
Ingonyama uEnoch Makhosonke wesibili Mabhena ibisihlala esihlalweni sobukhosi iminyaka engamashumi 4.
Ilanga liqimile kwahlwa emini. We today had to wear our black clothes to honor and bid farewell to a son of the African soul, one of the greatest to emerge from the former KwaNdebele.
Bayethe Ngonyama. Bayethe Ngonyama. Bayethe Ngonyama.
Lala ngokuthula Ngwenyama, Makhosonke ngokukhoselisa amakhosi. Dlula mithi kaMasokasokile. Sihlangwe savika ukudlula ezinye inhlango. Yingwe eyakhula ngomhlako kanti ezinye zikhula ngesibungu.